Oso, where are you? Are you, Oso? I could see you in the mirror. Oso, I could see you. I could see you in the mirror. I know you're there. You're there, Oso. Oso! Where are you, Oso? Hi, Oso! Huh? How are you? You want to eat? Hungry? Cool daddy, cool daddy! Dali! Cool daddy! Oso! Cool daddy, Oso! You want to eat, Oso? I'll give you food, okay? Mama will give you food. You wait, okay? Oso, you wait. I'm home now. My son